How to quickly add notes into Notion with iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and find the Notion app on your home screen. Now, press and hold the Notion icon to open the action menu. From the list, tap New Page. Notion will open a new, blank page where you can type a title. Alternatively, add a widget. Go back to the home screen and long press the home screen to enter edit mode. Tap on Edit and select Add Widget at the very top. Here, search for Notion and select it. Find the page widget and tap on Add Widget. Tap on the new widget on your screen to set it up. On the Setup screen, tap Choose and then select the page you want to link, like Hello. The widget now shows the selected page. Tapping on the widget opens that page directly. Following these steps, you can easily add notes to Notion on your iPhone.